Hello, my name is Kendra Randolph, and this is my practical for the fetal pig dissection. I'm going to do my best to get the best angle that I can with the quality of the camera that I have, and try to use this flashlight to help. So to start, we have the tongue. Move the screen a little bit. There we go. The tongue, it's right here. No dissection was needed to show the tongue. It's just right off the top. Okay, and then we move down to the larynx. And the larynx, if you can see it, it's kind of like this square type organ right here. It's the voice box. Try my best to get the flashlight. That didn't help. Alright, well the larynx is right here. And then a little bit under the larynx, it's the trachea, which is right on top of the esophagus. So the trachea is this part that's right here. And then if you move that aside, underneath it right here, esophagus. So trachea, esophagus. Hope you can see that. I'm trying my best. So then we move down, and we have the right lung, which has 3 lobes on it. The first lobe is right here. 1, second lobe, 2. And the third one kind of got destroyed a little bit, but it's right here. So the right lung is on this side. The left lung is on this side of the heart. It only has 2 lobes. Again, this is kind of destroyed, but here, it's one of the lobes right here. And the other one's underneath it, but it's a little bit destroyed. So then we have the heart. The right atrium is right here. Right there. A little flappy thing kind of at the top, under the lung, right there. It's the right atrium. The left atrium is on this side. It's this flappy part right there. Hope you can see that. So then right here, this is the right ventricle. And then down here, it's the left ventricle of the heart. So again, we have right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, right here. Alright. Moving downward, right here, we have the diaphragm. I had to cut it in order to get the sides as far off to this side that I can, so you can see the inside. But it kind of extends, it's connected on both sides of the fetal pig. That's the diaphragm, this very thin organ right here. So then we have the liver. The liver is the biggest in the digestive tract. It's right here. These two kind of pieces, it's one thing, but that's the liver. It's a little bit tinted green because my gallbladder exploded down here, but this really big organ, that's the liver right there. So then again, the gallbladder, I'm pretty sure my gallbladder exploded because basically this whole end of the liver is tinted green. But normally right here, this little sac is where the gallbladder would be. It's kind of hanging off right there. But yeah, pretty sure it exploded because it's very green here. Alright, next is the stomach. The stomach is hanging off to the side, right here. And then this little dangly part right here, off of the stomach, that's the spleen. And then down here, kind of connected to it, cauliflower looking, kind of hard to show it on here, the pancreas. It's the pancreas there. So we have the small intestine, which is on this side, connects down there, here. There you can actually tell on the fetal pig. They're mostly on this side. They're a lot smaller than the large intestine, which is on this side. It's much larger. You can significantly tell the difference on this pig, in my opinion. So then the kidneys, I had to dig to get to the kidney. So my kidney on this pig is right here. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. So right here, that's the kidney. It's easy to tell what the kidney is because it's bean shaped. So yeah, that's the kidney right there. And then we have the bladder, urinary bladder. Move this. So the urinary bladder is right here. You can see that. It's right in between the umbilical arteries, which are on both sides of that. One umbilical artery is right here. Kind of pick it up a little bit. Right there. The other one is on the other side. Right here. So they kind of sandwich the bladder. The umbilical cord, it's right here. It's kind of weird on my pig, I think. And that attaches in here so that the fetal pig can get what it needs from the mother. The ureter, forgot that part. So the ureter is what connects the kidney to the bladder. It's kind of hard to see on mine because of the angle that I'm at. But let me switch it around again. Get all that out of the way. Alright, so again, this is the kidney. And then the ureter is here. Kidney here. Ureter is connected to the kidney and leads to the bladder. Ureter. The anal canal is right here. Urinary bladder, anal canal. And I believe that is everything. Hopefully you can see everything that I was describing. It's kind of hard to get a good picture with the computer. But yeah, that's the 24 organs of the fetal pig. Thank you.